Hey, this is Mark, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove and relink an Apple Wallet connection in YNAB. So if you want to remove it, come here to the budget, top left on the three dots, settings and privacy, manage connections, and at the moment on that I don't have the Apple here, but basically you want to remove it, you just need to tap remove, that's going to be here on screen, and then remove again to confirm. And then at the top right, click on the X to close the entire menu. And if you want to relink it, so from the Accounts tab, you'd like to click Relink. So you go to the plus, you have linked or unlinked. You want to just click on linked and then add connections. So since I didn't add anything, I don't see the relink here. But you want to find it, so this means your account is still linked, so you want to make sure you fully remove the connection before attempting to relink the steps. So on the link account screen you'll be prompted to choose from your existing connections if applicable, or tap add Apple Wallet connection and follow the prompts. If you have other accounts associated with this connection, link those up too. You'll do so by repeating the steps above, but when you get to step 5, select the connection you just created instead of adding a new one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.